Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you're all having the best of days. I just thought I'd pop in here and quickly run you all through how to set up your LRP template if it's not something that you've ever done before, okay? It's super easy, and obviously the benefits of placing LRP orders versus one-time standard orders are immense, from the free products that you're eligible for through to the points that you accumulate with every order that go towards buying more free product. And obviously your shipping is 100% refunded back in points as well. So there's so many benefits. We always recommend placing LRP orders over one-time standard orders because you'd just be crazy not to, okay? So here we go. This is how we place our LRP order for the very first time. When you log into your doTERRA account, you'll land on the shop tab right here. And to the right-hand side here, you'll see this box. Firstly, you want to make sure that the Australia warehouse is ticked. This will always be the default option for our accounts. It always defaults to your country of origin, okay? If there is something that you want to order from the US warehouse, which I'll discuss a bit later, then you will just simply click on this little dot here and it will swap you over to the US warehouse. So I'm going to set up an Australian LRP order, and how I do this is by clicking on Create a New LRP Template, and it will bring up this calendar here. Now, if you place your LRP order and have it ship by the 15th, which is all of these purple dates, you'll see that these are all purple, which indicates that if you ship your order on any one of those purple dates, you will be eligible for the free product of the month. After the 15th, any LRP orders that are processed won't be eligible for the free product of the month. So just keep that in mind. It's always best to have your LRP shipped before the 15th. So I'm going to select the 15th as my shipping date for my order, and then I'm going to click on Next to add products to your cart. And remember that you can change the date every single month. So you're never set in stone with a particular shipping date. You can change that to suit your needs. If you're away, feel free to push it out. No problem at all. Okay, now you can see here that it says I'm now creating a new local LRP template. So now we can go shopping. So I might add in, I'm just going to go to the wellness tab here, which is all of the supplements. My non-negotiable for my LRP every single month is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So I'm going to add in one of those. And you will see that it says, okay, I've currently got one item added into my cart. Then I might go to personal care and maybe the shampoo. I'll add in one of these guys here and maybe one of these guys here. So now I've got 3 items in my cart. I'm just going to leave it at that for the moment, okay? Obviously, we've got all of these other tabs up here and categories of items that we're all able to shop from. A 100 PV order. Sorry, I'm just going to wait for that to refresh. Okay, so I just clicked on View Totals there. A 100 PV order sees you eligible to receive any bonuses and commissions that you might be looking to earn, okay? That's what all of us are entitled to if we have a Wellness Advocate account. A 125 PV order will see you receive the free product of the month. So if that's something that you want to receive, then make sure that your total PV here is reading 125 PV or more. And then all we need to do is choose our shipping method. Now, if you're local to Mulgrave, which is where the Aussie head office is, then you can choose Australia Will Call, which means you can go pick up your order straight from doTERRA's head office, which is great if that's really convenient for you. Otherwise, you can just choose to have it posted out. And remember, like I said, that we receive 100% of our shipping costs refunded back to us in points. So if that's an $8 shipping fee, for example, then we're going to receive 8 points back into our account to spend on free products. So I'm going to click on Australia Regular Post right here, okay? I'm going to click on Review Cart. And it's going to bring up my cart right here, and you'll see that it says my LRP processing date is currently set for the 15th of February. This is where my order confirmation email is going to be sent. To set up your payment information, you just need to click on edit right here and then add in your credit card details, and then make sure your address reads correctly. Now, if you've selected the Australia will call option as your shipping method, it will show up here as Australia will call, collect from doTERRA. These are my products right here that I've got in my LRP order to receive on the 15th of February. I've got one item of each, and you can see the PV value of each of these items. And this is the total PV of my order. You can see here that I've currently got 62 points available to me to spend on free products if I wanted to. Now, if you've got a bank of points that you would like to spend on product, all you need to do is click on the items that have this drop-down box displaying, and you can choose to spend your products. It will come up here saying that if you do use your points, you need to pay for your order and process it right away. It won't save an order template if you're using points, okay? And you'll see here that it says I've just spent 30 points, all right? Hopefully that makes sense. And then all we need to do is click on Save Changes if we aren't using our points, or Continue. Continue means we're going to process the order right away. Whoops. Ordinarily that won't come up, okay? And then here you will see that this is the final order confirmation screen. And what it's saying here is that if I don't edit my template, I'm going to receive the shampoo and conditioner plus the Lifelong Vitality Pack every month, okay? And I'm also receiving, as a one-time only order, so I'm only going to receive this once, the Salon Essentials Protecting Shampoo 2-pack, okay? And then all you need to do is just select whether or not you want to process this on your selected shipping date, or ship your order right now because you're in a hurry and you really need that shampoo and conditioner. That's how we process an LRP order, guys. Right. What will I show you next? Okay, so once you've finalized and confirmed your LRP order, it's going to show up here, all right? So this is an active LRP template, and every month, once it's been set up, how I change those products and change the shipping date is simply by clicking on this little grey barcode looking button here, and then editing out my products. You don't go setting up a new LRP template. You just edit the existing LRP template, all right? Hopefully that makes sense. So if you want to order something from the US warehouse, what we're going to do is click on US products, and that's going to swap us over to the US warehouse immediately. And then I'm going to create a new LRP template. And you'll see that here it says very clearly your LRP is to be shipped out of the US. Same process again, we choose a date and we add our items to our cart. All right, there's nothing different there, and I'm not going to go through the whole process with you again. That's just to show you how you swap between the warehouses. Now, if you do order something from the US 1 month and you don't want 2 LRP orders to process in 1 month, you simply set up your US order first and confirm that LRP template, and then cancel your Aussie LRP template for the month, which will ensure that you don't receive 2 orders and break the bank, okay? Just having a bit of a think here. Okay, so I've set up my US order. Now, to make sure that I don't receive two orders, like I said, I'm just going to click on this edit button here. And you'll see that now I've got the option to cancel this LRP order. So if I wanted to only receive an order from the US, I'm just going to click on cancel this LRP order, and it's going to delete this LRP template. And I'm only going to have one active template, being the US products, the US LRP order. And I'll only receive that order for the month. Okay, so that's how you swap between the warehouses and make sure that you only have one LRP order processing in a month. Okay, so next what I'm just going to touch on is, just to recap, with LRP points, if you want to accumulate points and grow your bank account of points, your LRP order needs to be set to 50 PV or more. An LRP template of below 50, so 49 and below, holds your points. So if you're going away for a month, or maybe you just really need to tighten your budget for a particular month, don't cancel your LRP. Just simply drop it down to maybe a lip balm, for example, just one item. It can be one PV if that's all that you can afford for that month, just to go into a bit of a holding pattern. And what that's going to do is make sure that you don't lose any of your accumulated LRP points. It's just going to hold them for you. You won't earn more, but you're going to keep the ones that you've already got. And any LRP template of 100 PV or more will see you earn commissions and any bonuses that you're up for with doTERRA. And any LRP order of 125 PV or more will see you receive the free product of the month, which this month it's the free bottle of fractionated coconut oil for all 125 PV orders that are placed by the 15th of February. Yeah, I think that's about it for the moment. My top takeaway from this would be, if you have any concerns with placing an LRP order, or you're unsure as to how to go about it, or whether it's right for you, then just type in the comments below. We need help with LRP, and one of us will be right on to you to give you the support that you need and answer all your questions. Yeah, I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.